Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free money on Cash App. So as you can see, I got 60 right now. So this is super cool, bro. So the site is OG Snags, okay? Go to this site, and it's so weird, bro. Let me show you how it works. So basically, when you get on this site, you're going to see all these like codes and stuff for different like apps. So just go to the search bar and type in Cash App, and you can actually get a Cash App gift card for free money. It just adds it into your account. So as you can see, it says Cash App codes. So when you press on that, you can see it says like 50 people used it today, right? So we're going to press show coupon code. It's going to load. And then once it loads up, you just want to go ahead and press get full code. And it's going to bring you over here. And it says you can get, look, a $750 Cash App gift card. Get $750 to your Cash App account. So it's going to ask you if you like to shop online. I'll just say yes. How do I plan to keep my reward? Am I going to keep it or give it to a friend? I'm going to keep it. How many times a week do I shop? I'll just say 3 to 7. So as you can see, it says activating your reward. So now it's going to ask for your email. So this is a very important step because it says we use your email and notify you. So they're going to send it to your email. So I'm not going to put my email in right now because I already did this. But anyway, just enter your email and then they'll send you like the Cash App gift card, which is super cool. I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah, you can get up to tons of money with this. I got 60 bucks right now, but this is super cool. So if you guys are poor and you need money on Cash App, this is better than doing those like fake videos. Like, there are so many videos where it's like send me $20, I'll send you back 100. It's a scam, bro. That does not work. You need to go to ogsnags.com. You can get a Cash App up to 750 bucks in your Cash App. All you got to do is put in your email connected to your like phone or whatever, and then they'll send it to you. So that's how to do it, guys. So be sure to try it out. If this video don't work, guys, drop in the comments. I'll explain everything. Like, if you are not understanding, I will come in the comments with you and we will work through it together. But this works, guys. It is so insane, bro. Cash App, you can get up to 750 bucks on Cash App. That is crazy, bro. So I'm gonna see you later and peace out.